Hey, what's up, and welcome. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. Thanks for visiting my webpage and also for continuing with this course or showing interest in this course. This is my channel, Correct Design. Please don't forget to subscribe. In this course, as I promised, we are going to create a website. If you've never created a website before, this video or this course is for you. The interesting thing about this course, we are not going to use any paid themes or plugin. We are not going to pay anything. So let's just jump straight into it. First of all, we said we are going to try to install WordPress. In case WordPress give us issues, obviously we will see which other page builder we can use. So let's cross fingers and see if we will be able to install WordPress. So let's just wait. Okay, let's just wait and see. So even me, I'm still new in direct admin. I'm used to cPanel. So I'm used to cPanel. So direct admin, I'm also new to it, but I think backend is backend. There won't be something that is different that much. There won't be any difference. So I'm here at Softaculous and I want to install WordPress, and it looks like it's giving me issues. Let me see if isn't there another way that I can use. Let me click WordPress again. Loading plugin. I want to install WordPress. I don't want the plugin, so let me just try it the other way. Let me check Softaculous. Let's just check Softaculous and see. Let's just check Softaculous and maybe install it via Softaculous. Let's see. Okay, looks like we are winning. Let's just install it and see. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, this is WordPress. What is WordPress? Let me just quickly give you an idea. WordPress is a content management system of free or open source, what can I say, open source project that is used for building websites or web pages. Let me say, what is WordPress, so that you can have an idea and understanding of what WordPress is. So I'm not going to read into details. I just want a brief description of what WordPress is, of which even this one might suffice. But since we've already clicked this one, let's just quickly wait for this one to respond so that you can have a general idea of what WordPress is. Okay, it's taking more of our time. We will check this one later. So here we are inside Softaculous. Softaculous is more like if you know Google Play on Android, or Play Store on Android. I think this is more like a marketplace for your backend, where you can come here and check for some, let's say, applications and install them. Okay, now let's get started. Choose the installation URL. Where do we want to install WordPress? In our case, we want to install WordPress in the main domain. Do we want to install it under the folder WordPress? No, because it will mean that if somebody wants to access our website, they must go to this domain and / then WordPress. So we are going to remove this. Choose your version. We can leave that one. Let's continue. Settings. Okay, the site name, it's not my blog, it's Coded Design. Okay, Coded Design. The username, let me just type Matthew, and the password, let me just change it to Matthew also. Let me just change it to Matthew. Okay, site description. For now, let's just say code and design. Okay, I think that's about it. And then let's come here, advanced option. We don't need the advanced options, I think. So let's just look for a place where it asks us for an email, so that in case this one, so that in case we forgot our login detail, at least we can be able to change it using the email. So I'm going to put my own personal email, Gmail, and then when we are done, it can send some installation details to matthew@gmail.com. So guys, that's about it with all the settings. Let's just confirm. I think everything is fine. Let's just click install. Okay, and wait for it. Let's scroll up a little bit. Okay, as you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. I'm happy that we have installed WordPress, because my fear was maybe my space, my domain space might be small for WordPress. So at least God is on our side. We have managed to install WordPress. Now we are good to go. So please guys, stick around. If you really want to create a website and you've never created a website before, believe me, this one is for you. I'm gonna make sure that you learn everything and also explain it in detail. You are not going to buy anything, no plugins that you're going to buy. If there might be a need of some sort of a code, or the plugin or the theme has got some limitation, at least we can use our custom CSS and HTML to fix that. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msengati, see you on the next one.